Okay, so we are in Seminyak. As you can see, it's busier now, especially at that time. It's like almost 7. Yo.
Dad watch you on YouTube.
Oh my God, so good!
Oh!
How you doing?
We are recording you now.
How you doing?
My dad watch you on YouTube.
That's good. That's good.
Take a picture with you.
Sure, I'm actually on YouTube right now. You can look into
Oh,
the
okay,
camera,
I'm
sure.
recording you guys. Okay,
very nice.
cool.
Take care. Okay.
Have fun. Okay.
So, yeah, what I was talking about. It's getting busier. Yeah, we had a very nice coffee. I met already our fans. I'm very happy with that. Okay, we're gonna show you Kayu Aya Street today. It's already, like I said, around 7 o'clock, middle of the week, actually Monday. Yeah, please, how you doing? So yeah, it's getting busy. Let's go. Sayang, why you laugh? Why you laugh?
Very good day.
Very good.
Nice weather, nice sunset, nice girls, honey.
Yeah. You said that. Oh, everything is good. We like to joke, and we are happy as Bali is getting busy. Kayu Aya, especially it's Monday, just after sunset.
Ah!
How you doing? Take care. Like I said. Oh, is the dad here? Oh no, I'm coming. Dad is here. How you doing? How you doing? Oh, good. Oh, good. Take care, guys. Take care.
So we just arrived in Seminyak and we've got headache. We decided to have a coffee first, and we are in the junction house. I will stroll around. I will go upstairs. This is, the restaurant, if you remember about the junction. And I will go upstairs. Cute decor actually. And yeah, what I can say, so nice. And I can see from the furniture also very cute. So over there is the Seminyak village, guys. Now I'm on the second floor and I'll show you how is the road situation in the Seminyak, famous Seminyak Square, they said. And that's the hotel of the Seminyak Square. And sunset, beautiful sunset. You can watch sunset from the top here. And this is how the situation from the second floor, basically. So I'll take you to stroll around to show you how is the inside the building, basically. It's very nice modern decor. And now I will get down and show you the first floor. This is how it looks like. Honey, I've got a very nice coffee, art coffee, look.
Hell Bali? Hell Bali?
Hello, Bali.
Oh, the heart is gitu. Now I see. Very nice, baby. Very nice. I really like the decor here also around. Enjoy your coffee. Hello, Bali. Very nice. There's like a very nice statues and painting and a crocodile here. Very nice, very nice. I really like it. Good for the meetings or maybe dating. We are already dating for how many years? So many.
Years.
Oh my God.
Already married for 5 years.
Oh no. I got a Love Bali this time, and they have a crepes. Actually, they have a nice promo coffee and crepe for 60,000. Winnie loves promo. So enjoy, sayang. All right, this is the Greek restaurant. It's called hold on, what is the cost? Makinos one. Somehow I miss Greek food. Would like to try maybe, but it's not like in the Greece. However, maybe I will try one day here. And well, of course you can find some gaps, which is like dark at the front. But more for over here, as you can see already, it's more traffic and more restaurants and more is going on. Also no shortage of the taxi drivers. You can find already the boutiques, the bars, the restaurants, and like this one, people enjoying their time. And of course we are heading more closer to the busiest part of Seminyak, Kayu Aya Street, which is, La Favela and stuff, Ginger Moon. But also this bar looks pretty busy with the, sports bars. But of course there is some reconstruction also here. There was empty gap. But Ginger Moon also for everyone missing the places like this one. You can find stuff here. Here we go, guys, like this one. Very nice looking restaurant. I'm not sure if it's busy today or not. They have a nice decorations. The Christmas is coming. Also more and more people actually walking everywhere around. There's actually a small gang with some hotels, villas. There was some restaurant which is currently closed. I think it was Ultimo. Actually, here is the gap where actually only closed restaurant. Then this Italian job, very nice restaurant. We used to come in here during the pandemic. There was very nice promos. Currently, there's no more promos, but there used to be spa also. Here you go if you would like to have some massage, stuff like this. And here's supposed to be Rumors, famous legendary Rumors, also closed. We still remember when we filming, somebody waved to us from the cafe, but it's gone currently. No more Rumors restaurant. Then there is another gap with more shops and more restaurants, and this is current Ultimo with the nice Christmas tree and Christmas decorations. People sitting, actually nobody is sitting, but if they will be guests, they were sitting like this overlooking the street. I like the Christmas decoration. Hello! So happy days, more and more people. This is actually almost Christmas time. It's already middle of December, so it's like nearly Christmas, second week before Christmas, 2 weeks before Christmas. Supposed to be more busier, however, well, a lot of things was going on currently, and well, let's see in next few days it's gonna be busy or not. All right, here is already more busier restaurants called Chandi, which is Asian kitchen bar. Hello, hi. A little bit traffic situation because if you people doing the U-turns like this guy with his Innova, it's kind of small street and makes already feel traffic. However, it's closer already to the corner with La Favela and stuff like this. Then we have a famous corner with many restaurants. This is greatest of all times, or just the GOAT, simple, because there is the GOAT. This is sports bar, it's very popular here, owned by the one guy who, you know, owns few places like this around. Like this one, there is the kebab, Berlin kebab, with the, looks like a waiters like a Hooters, but basically this is the copy of the Hooters. The Hooters is not allowed in Indonesia, or at least I don't know if it's any. This is the La Favela we used to vlog here last week. If you're interested how does it look inside La Favela and all of the stuff, please watch our video last time when we vlogged here. We used to cover it. Then it's Coco Bistro, hello! And this is the Coco shop. This is like at the busiest corner. Probably at 10 o'clock at the weekend is very busy. Currently on Monday it's like this one. This is the Champagne Lounge here also. Popular place which was open during the pandemic. We used to film inside during the pandemic actually. Yo, what's up? How you doing? You can have a good champagne here, that's for sure. That's what they specialize in. And also they have a nice motorbike, Vespa, like this one. Some people looking to get inside. And you can get, if you are drunk, they will escort you like that to home. Of course, I hope so you live close to by this one, because going to Sun will be fine. American, Johnny Rockets here, and all of this stuff. Yeah, and then basically after the corner is finished, there are only boutiques and some gelato, stuff like this, and it's already way quieter.
So in this area there are so many brand new boutiques surrounds me. So if you are a shopaholic, especially for the dress, beautiful dress, I think this one is the place for you.
Yeah, so many boutiques, like this one. As Winnie said, if you like, this is the place for you. It's also called, the Kayuaya Street could be called shopping street, but it's restaurant street. It's and yeah, and this is actually the end of the street, where is the corner house, and then you can go to Legian or Petit Tengen or Sunset Road. And of course the last restaurant what you can find here, also very popular, is corner house. A lot of people actually coming here all the time. Very nice boutique as well with the flag of the, you know, Bali. And this is the corner house, already 7 o'clock. As you can see, pretty busy today. Check this out. And this is how does it look like inside the corner house. It's actually, they have a nice Christmas art and decoration. The band still singing non-Christmas music, but not everybody are interested about the Christmas, obviously. And the restaurant is actually pretty busy, as you can see, quite many people. And we're waiting for the table, actually. This looks pretty cool indeed. I think they have a very nice food here. We used to vlog here as well during the pandemic times, if you're interested to have a look about the food. Alright guys, it's very hot in Bali right now. This is the shop for the kids, but have a very nice name, very similar to mine. little moniet, which means little monkey, but in the local language, obviously. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya. Take care.